Good morning, y'all. Well, the time has come to finally get Family Hauler's exhaust fixed. We're heading over to Bud's Muffler here in Colorado Springs to see if they can get us in to get this thing squared away. I did the original exhaust in 2011 when I lived in Hawaii. We did it for a 3-inch from the Y pipe collector back into a Magnaflow muffler, and then we did dual 2.5-inch tailpipes out. We used Magnaflow stainless steel exhaust tips. They were 2.5-inch inlet, 3.5-inch slash cut outlets. About 4 years ago, I had to get one of the tailpipes redone to clear the spare tire when I went to larger tires, and that tailpipe has rusted out. So as we get here to Bud's, they'll get it in. We'll see what they can do with it. I don't know if they're gonna let me record, so either you guys will get to see what they're doing, or you guys will get to see just some driving videos afterwards. So let's get this thing going. What's going on, you guys? I forgot to save the video clip I made Tuesday after visiting Bud's Muffler, so let me tell you what we discovered. The 3-inch inlet dual 2.5-inch outlet exhaust is quite rusty, and instead of patching it together, we're just going to go ahead and replace it. We are going to run a dual in, dual outlet Magnaflow muffler running dual 2.5-inch exhaust instead of the old setup. It should change the sound up. I'm a touch nervous because I've been running that setup that's on the truck now since 2011 when the truck was only a couple days old. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get down to Bud's and record them working on the truck. I'm just going to have to shoot some video of the exhaust as it is, and then I'll share with you guys how it turned out, and we'll do some driving and some video clip for you guys. So let's go ahead and fast forward to that. Alright you guys, we're going to go ahead and get a driving video done. I'll let you guys hear the exhaust inside and outside of the truck. I do want you to take into account though, I'm not playing a radio, I don't have the kids in the car. Obviously I can't play the radio like I normally would because of copyright, and I don't want to deal with all that. So let's go ahead and get this started. Alright you guys, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I couldn't get over to Bud's and watch them do the exhaust work. They took the better part of a day doing it, and I just had a lot of things going on. So hopefully you guys enjoy the new sound. It's quite mellow at idle, quite mellow while driving, but it lets you know it's there when you're on the throttle. It's just what I wanted. So, look, I got about 3 more videos in the works that I need to finish up and edit. But thanks for watching, y'all. God bless. Have a good one.